Hey, I believe this is day 13. North Carolina welcomed us in a very cold fashion. Woods are beautiful, but very cold. I know some of you are hikers and know what these privies look like. So you go do your business in the morning. It's usually a short walk to one of these from the shelter. They look nice from the outside, but you get inside, it's not much. That's the seat. I won't lift it up to show you, it's pretty gross. But that seat that you sit on has ice on it this morning. And yeah. North Carolina. Yeah. This is our first snow with accumulation on this hike. That's the shelter down below. I'll show you that when we get down there. That was home for the night. Not a bad shelter. Of course, the mist blew in. Got our sleeping bags kind of frosty again. We're gonna have to carry a tarp or something to put over us because every night it seems like a fine mist blows in. Leaving the shelter, Muskrat shelter. Yeah, we got a lot of snow. You don't want to step in a creek this cold out. There's a shelter over there. Starting uphill.